I would like to show you how we can make easily dependency injection in a Compose Android application. Here you can see it on the right. This is a small application where we have a field where we will enter a name, a username, and then we ask to display a hello message. Yes. Then for this, I need a user view model. I need to interact with a user view model here, say just to call the function say hello from my design. This say hello, as you see, is using user service to get a user and prepare a message, and then we prepare this message back to our composable. This user service is an interface. Okay, then we have a user model, a view model. We have a user view model. We have a user service that help us find the right user, load users also, but and prepare our message. As you can see here, we will say hello username and user email. And this is, you see, user service interface that has an implementation user service. And then in the constructor, we have a user repository that is managing the operations on the list of users, and we have an implementation. Then you see here from the user view model to the user service and to the user repository, we have everything declared in constructor, and then I just need a module in Koin to declare my components and then run it through my applications. And let's start with a simple app module declaration in Koin, and then we will use a single off for our constructor. Then we want our user repository implementation, right? And let's build it, say user repository. And you see here, I'm extending a bit the window, I've declared my singleton for user repository. I will do the same single off user service. I want Koin to create my user service instance. We want to bind a specific type that is user service. Why you need to do that? Because here this DSL single off is building directly this type, then it won't do any kind of analysis to detect the type and then export the type for you. Then you need to manually say, I'm creating this instance and I'm binding this other type. And then final one, we have ViewModel of ViewModel, where we create this instance, and that's it. Then I have my singleton for repository, my singleton for user service, and then my user ViewModel ready. Final stuff is doing in my activity. I'm going into my screen, and you see here, I'm already using Koin ViewModel, where I would like to inject in my property, my composable property, to inject Koin ViewModel instance. It's quite advised to use this way to write your properties, because then if you want to create manually an instance of main screen, then you don't depend on Koin directly. Else by default, you will use Koin, the Koin container, the existing Koin container, to inject your ViewModel. Lastly, we just need to start Koin at our application modules, and then we just have module. And that's it. And then if I put Alice, it's printing hello Alice. We have a user Alice, but we don't have a user Arnaud, then we don't find it. Hope you enjoyed this little introduction. Thank you for watching. See you.